Welcome back. In this lecture, we continue our discussion on constraint satisfaction problems with the generate and test algorithm, the most straightforward approach to doing this. And so here's the idea, is we want to generate an assignment to each of the variables and then test the assignment on the constraints. So for example, we have this domain for each, and we're going to have this series of assignments that we're going to evaluate against all of the constraints. And so this can be implemented with n number, one for each variable, of nested for loops. And here's the pseudocode, very straightforward. We're going to pick a value for domain A, then one for B, and once we've done that for each of the variables, we're going to test it out on all of them. And at the innermost loop, we'll proceed to the next variable after that test. And so how many assignments were we going to need to test for n variables, each with the size of domain D? So that, of course, is going to be d to the n. So to determine correctly, if there is a solution, in the general case, you're going to be taking exponential runtime to find one solution. Now maybe you get lucky and there's a whole bunch of solutions and you find one early on. But this can't guarantee that you're going to get lucky or even give you any kind of heuristic that will point you in the right direction earlier on. So this really kind of naive and straightforward. With regard to solving other problems such as counting the solutions or finding all solutions, this can get you there, and in those cases you're pretty much going to always realize that exponential runtime. So that's it for the generate and test algorithm. Stay tuned for more content.